Good morning, everyone. My name is Sihara Francisco Zapata. I'm a grade 2 student. Today I have a story. It's all about the boy who cried. Enjoy the story.
Kapanta pa alisin mo.
Once upon a time, there was once a young shepherd boy who tended his sheep full of the milk. In this prosperity, the young shepherd boy, it was rather lonely for him all day long. So, he thought upon a plan by which he could get a little daughter and some excitement. Aha! I got an idea. Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf! Somebody help! My sheep! He cried out loud as he could, and then the villagers rushed came to his Who's the wolf, boy? Ah ha ha! How poor you are! I'll just give you a prank! Hey boy, what happened for us? Please don't do that again. A few days afterwards, he tried the same tricks again. Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf! Somebody help! My chips! And again, the villagers rushed for his help. What's a wolf, boy? Ha 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 ha! How poor you are! I just give you a prank! Ha ha ha! Again, the villagers warned the boy before returning to their village. Next time, boy, we are never believing you again. But this time, a wolf actually did come up from the dark forest and began to worry his sheep. And the boy, of course, cried out loud. Oh my God! It's the real wolf! 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 It's the real wolf! My sheep! My sheep! But the villagers thought the boy was again deceiving them